In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a thread loop the easiest way. Use double strand of thread or embroidery floss and make a thread loop like this. Start from the back or between the layers of hem, where you can hide the knot. Make a loop and pull the thread through the loop, making a knot. It's like finger crocheting. Continue pulling the thread through and tightening the knot each time. It's like making a chain. Continue doing so till you reach your required length. Now check if your button fits in it. When the chain is of the right length, insert needle through the loop and pull the thread tight. Stitch it to the garment. You can make 2 stitches here. Insert the needle and pull the thread through to the back of the garment where you can hide it. Now I'll cut it with a pair of scissors. Here you have it. Isn't it beautiful? Learn the easiest way to knot the thread of your needle. Don't forget to share these brilliant sewing ideas with your family and friends. We share a lot of tricks and tips that will save you a lot of time and money. You will be satisfied with the crafting process. Learn how to make a perfect corner. Like this. Learn how to miter corner step-by-step method. Mitered corner are 2 corners coming together at 45 degrees angle. You can use this technique to sew quilts, tablecloths, table mats, and many other sewing projects. Start by folding the fabric 1/4 inch, and press it. Do it on all 4 sides. Then fold it over again, however wide you want your corners to be, and iron it. Repeat the same steps on all 4 sides. Mark the sides as shown. Also, mark the crease line, like I've done in this tutorial. Pin the fabric like this. By joining the 2 points. Make sure the 2 marks are lined up. Sew it diagonally. Repeat the same steps on all 4 corners. Sew down the mark as of shown. Cut out the excess of the fabric. Turn it right side out. Also push the point of the corner out. Finally, top stitch around the inner edge. And that's it, the easiest mitered corner that you can use on a number of projects. For more useful tutorial, please visit our stitching playlist. And don't forget to share it with your family and friends. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can see the hole in your clothes without the thread even being visible. Do not panic and watch our video to learn how to solve this problem.